Our I can statement for this lesson is I can align numbers correctly by identifying place values and finding the decimal. All right, so let's give a bad example to begin with. What if I had the problem 10 plus 2, and in order to find this, I wanted to rewrite it vertically? What if I rewrote the problem like this? Is that correct? No, of course not, because I don't have a 2 in the tens place. This problem over here on the left shows me that I have 2 in the ones place. So to correctly do this, I need to align it in the ones place. So I'm adding 0 plus 2 ones instead of 2 tens. And of course my answer is 12. Now this might seem like a very silly problem to look at in 5th grade, but it carries over to bigger problems. What if instead I was looking at a problem like this? 43 plus 0 and 26 hundredths. What if I wrote it vertically to solve it? 43. And I aligned it like this. That looks okay, but once I think about it, I notice that I'm adding ones here, and this is the hundredths place. I can't add 1 plus hundredths because they're not the same thing. Likewise here, I have the tens place, so that's 10 times the size of the ones place, and here's the tenths place, which is 1/10 the size of the ones place. And the ones is way over here, while the ones up here is the 3. So this is completely inaccurate, and I need to rewrite it. So in order to do that, I want to identify where is the decimal point. Well, it's right next to the ones place, always. So you can see that I'm going to find the ones place, the 3, and the decimal is directly to the right there. So it's tens, ones, decimal, then we would have tenths over here. So I'm going to grab my other number, 0 and 26 hundredths, and I see that the 0 is in the ones place. I put that there. The decimal point is lined up. They must be lined up right on top of each other. And then 26 hundredths. Well, that looks a lot better to me. But it still is missing the hundredths up here and the tenths and the hundredths. So I can put zeros there and it doesn't change the number. Now I've got 43 and 0 hundredths, so I didn't add any extra numbers over here. And I've got 0 and 26 hundredths. If I want to add those, which I do, 6, 2, decimal, 3, 4. My new answer is 43 and 26 hundredths. The big idea here is that I need to align the place values. There's the ones place, there's the ones place. The decimal point, right on top of each other. If they're at all to the diagonal, I probably won't get the right answer, and it will look disorganized. The tenths are on top of each other, and the hundredths are on top of each other. This problem also occurs with money. So if I want to look at a money problem, I've got the problem $42.05 plus 63 cents. And just like with adding inches and feet, or meters and centimeters, my labels are not the same right now. I've got dollars over here and cents over here. So I need to rewrite my cents in dollar form. So I'm just going to rewrite this, and I know what 63 cents looks like. I'm going to put a dollar sign, and I would have 0 total dollars and 63 cents. And I do not include this old symbol. I'm just using the dollar symbol. Now I can see that there's the $1 spot, same as right here, the $1 spot. So I'll be able to align them. So I would rewrite this, $42.05, dollar sign up there. And I align the decimal point again, $0.63. I will add them, and this time I will get the correct answer. 8, 6, decimal point, bring it straight down, 2, 4. So my answer is $42.68. The big idea here is you must align the decimal. You must align the place values. All right? The reason it didn't work here is because I was dealing with different units. I had dollars and cents. I need to get them so that they're the same. So I had to convert this to dollars and dollars. Then I was able to add.